Oh, okay, well, we started the unboxing, technically. Good work today, boys. We started the unboxing, got this off. We'll come back later. 12 hours, maybe? Tomorrow? How could you not tell us you were part crab? I'm fully crab. I'm part boy. I have a singular smidgen of cardboard. What is this? I didn't order this. I ordered a Big Mac hamburger. And I want to pay for it next week. There's a whole man in here. There's nothing else in here, just so you know. They used all this cardboard to transport this cardboard. Why didn't they just wrap this guy in himself? Oh, is this Sheldon? It's Bazinga boy. I forgot I fucking bought this, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude, I got Sheldon in my home. He's gonna be such a quirky, crazy, cool character to have. Bazinga! Bazinga, you stupid fuck! This is amazing. And also so stupid. Also, why does it have this? I know what show he's from. Why? What is this outline? Oh, he pops out of it. Nice. What the f? What is this for? Look how life-size he is, fellas. I'm Sheldon. I'm Sheldon now. I'm Sheldon now. Bazinga. Didn't know you were that flexible. I'm sucking my own f***ing diet. Okay, he's getting man-shaped. He's getting manscaped. Speaking of which, have you ever been hairy? My video, I wish I was sponsored. I'd still be out here growing hair for free. Okay, you strapping young lad. What do I do with you now? Real nice, all right? Real nice, guys. Booty Judy? Did you subscribe on Twitch? Dude, hell yeah.